It's Valentine's and I am here with Jim to bring you these delicious coconut fairy cakes. I'm going to show you how to do two different types of decorations on top. I am using the Gem products. I'm going to run through those now and then we'll get started. Gem have such a huge selection of products for your baking and your cooking, and in this recipe I am using the Gem self-raising flour. I am using their desiccated coconut, the castor sugar and also the icing sugar. And for that sweet hit, I have the milk chocolates, the white chocolates, and they also do the dark chocolate drops. So let's get started. Starting off with the butter and the Gem castor sugar with a handheld mixer, I'll combine them until it's pale and fluffy. Crack in one egg at a time, mixing in between each, and next up get the Gem self-raising flour, sieve that in on top of your mixture, followed by your desiccated coconut, and combine that mixture well. I find a heaped tablespoon is plenty to add into the bun cases and get them in the oven. Melt your chocolate in the meantime, and the Gem icing sugar added and whisked with some butter makes your buttercream. Here are two options to decorate: some milk chocolate, a swirl of the white chocolate using a cocktail stick makes a marbled effect, or with the buttercream frosting you can divide that into two bowls. Into the first bowl adding the melted milk chocolate and some cocoa powder, and into the other adding the white chocolate. Pop them into two separate piping bags and then put those bags into another piping bag. There you go, a really handy way. It looks great, the kids love these and they taste delicious. Be sure to give it a go. So I really hope you give this a go with the kids at home yourself. You can try the simpler version of decorating, or you can go all out and do that marble swirl on top. Be sure to let me know if you do try this recipe, and be sure to pick up your Gem products the next time you pop to the shops. I'll talk to you all soon and have a great day.